Does this work for perimenopause? You recommend this diet to balance the hormone. Nakakatulong po ito sa perimenopause in a way that, number one, you have less sugar intake. So, less yung mga inflammatory effects ng sugar. Kasi when your hormones decrease sa perimenopause, tumataas talaga yung mga inflammatory markers. So, yun nga po. Because this is a low inflammatory load way of life, way of eating, then nakakatulong po siya in that way. Tapos, syempre, less sluggishness. Kasi in perimenopause, you start to experience yung mga fatigue, para kang, sluggish, para kang foggy-brained, bababa yung concentration mo. Lahat po yan natutulungan when you're eating properly. But eating is not the only thing. Kaya mga kapatid, holistic po. Hindi lang pagkain. Pagkain plays a big role, for sure. But you should also take into account yung fasting, yung inyo pong galaw-galaw, yung inyo pong stress levels, at yung inyo pong tulog. Nurturing your relationships, ang pinaka-baseline sa lahat, spiritual po. If you're spiritually not well, all the other things in your life will not thrive.